Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to dodge Rdr2 Pc full guide. Focus on timing, stamina management, and using the environment to avoid enemy shots. Start by practicing the dodge animation until your reflexes match the game rhythm. Keep an eye on your stamina meter so you do not overcommit. Combine a quick sidestep with a change of cover to confuse enemies and open a safe window for counterattacks. Warm up your advanced dodge techniques by chaining evasions with aggressive replies. Train dead-eye use to slow time and pick a safer exit route from firefights. Practice diagonal strafes to make tracking your position hard for opponents. After a successful dodge, counter immediately with a quick melee or pistol to maintain pressure. These moves take practice, but will make encounters feel fluid and much more controllable in the long run. Optimize your PC setup to make dodging feel natural and responsive. Remap dodge and crouch to nearby keys for faster access and less hand travel. Tweak mouse sensitivity and smoothing so small adjustments during dodges do not throw off your aim. If using a controller, enable input smoothing and test dead zones to reduce jitter. These tweaks reduce mechanical mistakes and let you focus on timing and positioning during tense gunfights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.